Alexa, enable my Scottish community.
Okay, here's my Scottish community. Search ALISS for support. Please enable location permissions in the Amazon Alexa app to get more accurate search results.
Alexa, open my Scottish community.
Say, search, to search the ALISS system. Or settings, to change your search configuration.
Settings.
Your search radius is currently set at 5 miles, and your search type is set as everything. You can use the touch screen to change the settings and tap the Save button when you are done. Or, say radius, to change your radius setting, or type, to change your search type setting.
Radius.
Your search radius is currently set at 5 miles. You can choose from 1 mile, 5 miles, 10 miles, 30 miles, or 60 miles by saying 1, 5, 10, 30, or 60. Which would you like?
30.
Your search radius has been changed to 30 miles. You can say search to perform a search, or type to change your setting type. Which would you like?
Type.
Your search type is currently set as everything. You can choose from local, national, or everything. Which would you like?
Local.
Your search type has been changed to local. You can say search to perform a search, or radius to change your search radius setting. Which would you like?
Search.
Like to find.
Dementia support.
I found 3 results. These are: number 1, Inverurie Carers Exchange. Number 2, Networks of Wellbeing, Now. And number 3, Living Golf Indoor Session. Please say the number of the results you would like more information on.
1.
You selected Inverurie Carers Exchange. Phone number 01224 644 077. Email address aberdeen@escot.org. Information last updated the 4th of April 2022. Would you like a details card sent to your Alexa app?
Yes.
A details card for Inverurie Carers Exchange has been sent to your Alexa app. You can say back to go back to the results list, search to perform another search, or exit to end this session.
Exit.